Finding exact values with half angle identities. This is our second example here in degrees. And if you remember from the first one where it was in radians, we took the angle and I multiplied it by 2. This is so that it gives us our original full angle, which is 390 degrees. So I can think of the tangent of 195 degrees as the tangent of 390 degrees divided by 2. 390 degrees is a nice angle that would be on our unit circle. However, it's more than one revolution. So if we think of 390 degrees as its coterminal angle, the coterminal angle to 390 degrees is 30 degrees. And my xy coordinate at 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2, 1/2. I'm just going to leave that there here for a moment. We're going to go back to tangent of 390 degrees over 2. And if we look at our half angle identities, I've got 1 minus cosine u, and u being 390 degrees, all over sine of u, and u being 390 degrees. And we're going to think of those 390 degrees as 30 degrees because that's the coterminal angle. So here we have 1 minus the cosine of 390, and cosine is the same as the x, so we have square root of 3 over 2, and sine of 390 degrees as 1/2. Well, now we need to reduce. So I'm going to go back to, I've got a fraction in the numerator, and I need to, in order for me to add or subtract, I have to get common denominators. So that means I need to think of 1 as 1 over 1, multiply by 2 on the numerator and the denominator. So you have 2 minus the square root of 3 all over 2, all over 1/2. Well, this means flip and multiply when you have a fraction within a fraction. So here I get 2 minus the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, or multiplied by the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1. And that means that the 2 in the denominator and the 2 in the numerator are going to cancel. And my end result is going to be 2 minus the square root of 3. Now, I talked about before being able to check your answer. If you type in degree mode tangent of 195 degrees, and then type in 2 minus the square root of 3, you'll see that you should get the same answer for both.